You've hired a digital marketing agency, you're paying for your Google ads, you're a home service business owner, but you're not getting any leads. Or worse still, you're not able to convert them. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what's happening that's causing you to lose those brilliant leads, or worse, never have those leads. What's making you spend money and not make any money in return from your marketing campaign. More on that in today's video. Hi everyone, I'm Dev Penumaka. I own Gleaminary. It's a digital marketing agency that specializes in Google Ads for home services businesses. Now I see this very often. Very recently, I was talking to a client who was really far ahead in terms of how much experience they had with employing digital marketing agencies. They were paying an arm and a leg every month and spending a lot of money because they were making a lot of money, right, from jobs, but obviously they weren't seeing that return from their digital marketing. So what was happening is they hired this big agency which built a great landing page that looked so pretty, that had all the tech in it, that had AI chatbots installed on it, that had all sorts of tracking. They gave them all sorts of data. But obviously, they missed out on two important things, right? First, when I looked at that landing page, it did not have any form that I could fill out right away. So you need a form at the right place, right? So we read from left to right. So when we go on a page, you want that form to be on the right hand side. You want it nice and big. You don't want a chat bot that's talking to you, that's wasting the client's time. So I sat with this client and I'm like, okay, let's go through this. Let's act like we are clients for your home service business, and we're going through trying to get a service. And let's talk to the AI chatbot that's on your website. We kept talking to it, and it never took our details. It never took our name. It never took our phone number. It never took any of the things that mattered. It kept asking us questions, kept qualifying us. This is what a lot of people are suffering with. Now, listen, you spend $50 to get that client onto your landing page. You paid for the click. And now you're wasting the client's time. And the client's going to hit the back button and go to the next advertisement. And hopefully that next client was from Gleaminary. So the next home service business owner, let's say, is from Gleaminary. He's going to have the form. He's going to have a phone number, which is a tracking number. As soon as he fills out those 4 fields, he's going to get a confirmation email, or he's going to be taken to and the home service business owner is going to get that email with the contact details, right? Plain and simple. Or let's say the client calls that number. We have all the details. Okay, when did this client call you? And obviously we tell our clients to save the phone numbers which come from the landing page. So if you're a client with Gleaminary, what we do is we give you a phone number right away, and we say, okay, save this phone number in your phone and save it as Google Ads lead. So when someone calls you, you know to put your sales hat on and answer that call, and close the deal, right? So because it's a hot lead, someone has a problem. Let's say they saw a mouse running around in their house and they called this pest control service. And you see, you're a pest control business owner, you see it, okay, great. I got a call from my Google Ads lead. You pick it up, you answer it, you get their name, phone number, great, bam, you've closed the deal. It's that simple. I'm all for keeping things simple. The more you complicate it with all sorts of CRM, all sorts of AI chatbots in the place where they should not be, you're wasting the client's time. They're not going to spend any more time. So as I end the video, I'm gonna leave you with a bonus tip. Whenever a client has to fill out an extra field, so I told you 4 fields, let's say you have 5 fields, 17% of the people drop off every qualification that you add. Let's say you want to qualify them 6 times, so you can say 17 times 2. That's how many. Let's say you're losing more than 34% of your clients every time you add 2 more extra fields, extra qualifiers. So this is a real problem, and I want you to not suffer. So link is in the description. You can book a call if you're a home service business owner, you want to have the right digital marketing agency working, handling your Google ads. Book a call at a time that's convenient for you, and we'll talk about whatever is on your mind. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment with any questions you have. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it.